Here's how you can get your C53 swimming pool contractor's license in California. This license allows you to build and install swimming pools, spas, or hot tubs, including solar heating equipment installation for pools. If this sounds like the type of work that you perform, first, consider the requirements. You must have at least 4 years of journeyman level experience in swimming pool construction. Journeyman level is defined as the experience gained when an individual is no longer a trainee or apprentice, and that individual can perform swimming pool work without supervision. If your experience is in pool and spa maintenance, but has not included construction, you may want to look into getting the license as a C61 D35 pool and spa maintenance contractor. In addition to the experience requirements, you must be at least 18 years old. However, due to the 4-year journeyman level experience requirement, we recommend applying for the C53 swimming pool contractor license when you're around 23 years old. The final requirement is to have a Social Security number, or ITIN, Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. If you meet these requirements, you're ready to apply. As a student at Contractors Intelligence School, your coursework includes a detailed timeline which will guide you through the licensing process. Videos will be provided to guide you every step, including how to fill out an application, schedule your exam, instructions on completing the live scan fingerprinting, and details on any additional steps required by the Contractor State Licensing Board. To begin the process, fill out the state application, which our staff will review and hand deliver to the Contractor State Licensing Board for processing. Around a month after your application is submitted, a notice will be issued that your application has been processed and that you can schedule your exam. You'll be taking 2 exams, the Law and Business exam and the Swimming Pool Trade exam. The Law and Business exam focuses on how to run a contracting business, contracts, liens, employment, and so on. The Trade exam focuses on estimation, pool and spa shell construction, finishing, etc. All questions are multiple choice. You will have 3.5 hours to complete each exam. Both exams must be passed in order to obtain a contractor license number. Contractors Intelligence School will prepare you for these exams while keeping your busy schedule in mind. Our program is designed to be simple, time efficient, and guarantee success on your first try. Our course includes exam preparation videos which contain 3D illustrations and images for better comprehension. The reading material is carefully selected. We even provide audio courses for learning on the go. The practice test combines the online, written, and audio elements and includes the ever-popular video explanations. You'll be able to access the course through our exclusive mobile app, giving you the flexibility to study anywhere. If you haven't signed up yet, you can create a free demo account and see what it's like to be a student. Link in the description below. After passing both exams with the Contractor State License Board, you will receive instructions outlining the final paperwork needed before a swimming pool contractor's license number is issued. Submitting the final paperwork and completing the final process can sometimes be tricky, but with our guidance, it couldn't be simpler. If you carry out all these steps, congratulations, you'll be a licensed swimming pool contractor. Now it's time to get out there and earn more money as your own boss.